Kethisha mwanya mutegeri wa Weru TV na niwega nuntu wa kuthura kurumira Nteto cietu inkugwate ugeni methani yetu ya Nteto Thaa Imwe ni umbitagwa Christine wa NJERU na mwananiria wetu wa mathithio tukomondi ni Maureen Kirimi. Mbere bururu hino ni imwe cia Nteto iria tukubanganiritie. Siazire ntore gweteka kamite ya bunge ya urimi gucokia ciuria ikonie mboreo ya mung'wana. Mugomo wa mandagitari gutwika murigo kiri arwaru na kuthenia maingi. MCA wa Thhaa kwendekithia mbia cigagwe mwanya cia gutethereria kiri mithukiro cia maitha. Kamiti ya bunge nene ya kithomo gukinya chuka na Meru kuraitha utumiri wa mbia cia mathomo cia thirikari. Ntuko ya umundi Minister wa urimi na ndithia mithikari nturi na kinyite mbere ya kamiti ya bunge yegie urimi kenda gucokia ciuria ikonie fertilizer cia mung'wana iri kwirikana kunenkanirwa kiri arimi nturi augite fertilizer iria ikwirikana ni ya mung'wana te iria iri runguru wa mubango wa maguri mandi na ritwa ria somba subsidy. Nongerete na kuga kambuni iria cia betwe kandarathi ini NCPB cia na ciareta fertilizer indhuku ni ithite na mbere gucunkunwa ni bodi shindikiri ni modisi ya irinturi nkuruki augite rwangirwa kuraitha wega bwa intombere ithikiri mwingi ni rukebs ni rwanenkerwe kanya kuraitha kethirwa fertilizer inu ni ciari mbega kagitanio kau na we Rais Ruto na rutite mukana umurito kiria biashara maria akuga ni menderetie akenya fertilizer indhuku ni kenda kubokiria thirikari rietwa. Anthony Kadenya atuambiririe na inu.
But from where I sit and from my hand.
Akialia lembe la kamiti ya urimi ya bunge nene waziri wa urimi mithikali ntore liwaluga ngono ile jonde jithirito ikiarua ati thirikari ni kwendia mbolea bandia ni jaurongo na kutembolea bandia kwendwa ni thirikari gutukira NCPB kiri mubango wa thirikari wa mbolea ya maguri mande.
This is not the fertilizer that we are distributing within the subsidy program, so that we don't mix issues, because we will cause panic to the farmer. And I want to say, my ministry is the only institution that is able to tell you whether how many bags of fertilizer are out there or not, because number one, any money that we use to pay for this program comes to the ministry, and we transfer money to National Cereals and Produce Board.
Kulingana na waziri Lentore gwe kambuni imwe ile anenkero wira bobangane bwa mbolea nja mubango jwa thirikari endelea kuthithia ngogi yayo bula kubaterie na kuthondeka mbolea ya kiwango kiande untu bulaliwa kuganiwe kinae na leo ni bolitengo ja sonkoni kuthithio sonkoni kile kale kalele.
This is not fertilizer under my subsidy program. We have, however, been able to find that out of that contract, commercial contract that was done, a company that was allowed to sell through our distribution network decided to make something that was different. Right? But this is a product that was being distributed because we have an unscrupulous, greedy business person who does not want to conform to standards and give supply of the product that was so satisfying, and for that matter is criminal, must be dealt with according to the law.
Mwenogu waziri Lentore aliwa kile ministeri yae gwetukira NCPB nibombete kumenya kwina meuko ngiri 3 ya mbolea kile mubango jwa thirikari wa bei ya nde meuko elele na mbolea ilete gukinya kiwango kila kibaterie waziri akiuga arimi barabane nkero mbolea eno bakalewa kenda batikathia sara nkuni emwe ya mbolea eno igikinyagua mbele ya kamiti eno.
And we have them, and I have seen this is not the fertilizer within our subsidy program. But if this is the product that SBL is distributing, and we have the MD here, then it is necessary for him to shed light and tell us.
We don't have testing capabilities. The manufacturer maybe can say whether indeed the product meets the quality parameters.
But already we have 3,000 bags in a certain batch which did not meet the standard of the composition of the macro, the nutrients that are there. We are willing and ready, right, to really make to compensate the farmer by way of providing more fertilizer, by making sure that in the next phase of top dressing that is remedied.
Nao kagita gaka kirindi ongea kire NCPB ya Eldoret, Rais William Ruto aluga thirikari titikiria amba kwangaratini mubango wa thirikari wa gutigira Kenya bene lija kuigana kwitukara kubendelia mbolea bandia.
Mambo hii yote ya fertilizer iko sawa sawa. Tuko na kampuni karibu 4 ambayo tunashirikiana pamoja na wao. Kuna kampuni moja iko na kasoro kidogo, lakini tunarekebisha kwa sababu hatutaki mtu achukue nafasi ya kuharibu hii kazi nzuri wakulima wanafanya. Mimi kwanza nataka niwapongeze nyinyi wakulima, kwa sababu nyinyi ndio wazalendo wakuu wa taifa letu la Kenya. Munazalisha chakula yenu na munatusaidia kulisha Wakenya wengine.
Kuma muji muneno Nairobi, keripotera Weru TV, Mbeta Antone, rangi wakathenya.
Miriti Cornelia zuriane ya bishawa urimi wa ndini ya mitungo nekirite kirore ati mboreo ya thirikari ya bei ya nthi ni nkinyuntere inu na iriba kubi kunenkanirwa kiri arimi na thiretie na kuga mboreo ino ni menayo ni mbitikirie na ina umatia mungwana koguna uriti arimi matikethire mena uguoya kagitani okau na mwomo mwema arimi tere inushie mitungoni mashokeretie mubunge Shadrack Mweti nkatho no ntubwa kwagirithia makumbi ma irio na kumombithia ukinyira fertilizer ya thirikari na ubuthumu tugikare atumenyithie.
Kuringana na Miriti Cornelia surane abisa urimi kiri wandia mitungu na ugete njuku yao ne amikirite bateresa mithemba iri kumakirwa ngirurimi thirikari nene akiuga muthemba jwa mbere jura bari na juni OCP akiuga ni jwa kariba mitungu bakwenda muno ikiringithano na muthemba jungi bari na jujwa fomi
OCP Kenya ni kona ya farmers bakwa muno bakumifurifa no tutwareterwe toto ya 1140 bags cia OCP twareterwa yewingi fomi utesa twareterwa 600 bags na mwanka thaici currently tharo tukwaria ntuku ya ithano kuma tukwambira kweja na fertilizer arimi ni bari ndimite type ya fertilizer igwitwa fomi 439 bags mwanka tunde OCP ibari ndimite 502 bags iwingi ci store no benderete kurindi
kingia bisa ujo na thiretere ati gutina beteresa feki taura nguto chumirite na kyuria kariba mitungo gochumire na kuthagana beteresa kiria kuga beteresa una michunkunite nete no gwatiburu
fertilizer ni very genuine batigana na fiere rario no thirikari ne bategerete na oni personally arimi bakugura na baba ingi tugutega gutegi ntundirona kwene foreign material kana mbonde chaurerera kwa kwina mboreo kwina maiga kwina into bingi baterese iringwa ndathibitisa kwa niaba ya upande wa serikali kana wa department ya agriculture mbuga fertilizer ratu kweja naja ni very genuine na mbimisari mimbaere bakirie ratifia na beje kwa wingi mbae fertilizer nikenda tukomba gukiria kirimo gietu kana production yetu
na kire arimi bawandi ya mitungo ne bachumirite kuganjuku ejere na beteresa ni mujumbe wa Southiment Dr. Shadrack Mweti batetherete kumireta bakiuga ni wojoketie tagarira kweru ya nchuku eje na kinya kire kuthingatira rwangiro urimi bethera bakigunika na beteresa.
Dr. Shadrack Mweti na thithire juundi on behalf of farmers abanga nesto era kwendeka atuma parets
athi arufungira ndeka all the necessary installation ira chendeka thithia then neta mbere kutushuira fertilizer
mbere tureta Meru town muntu agatinda au na mpara ketaraini kateo siria nyingi ya mwiso kana lakini ande fertilizer urejaja mitungu kwa irrigation scheme ukanenkera fertilizer weno abatu bwayo no geta kwanda so itokuga ibo bwega no ntubwa ekinya rero tokinyete itokuga tukagwatira thirikari Dr. Shandrak Mweti
turuma hinya gwetu thaa kenda cio tuko tugeta Meru town tugeta tugatinda tukaana tukararira ringi tugakinya no thaa kenda cio tuko nikenda tumba kuona fertilizer lakini tureta hinya tukethirwo rindi twi namba inene lakini nandika turaja kwira mweshimiwa wetu Shandrak atiri kayaro kumwe na mutharime muno nontu bwangugira twitirite turari mba mitungu
kuma wandine ya mitungu gicigo mbunge kia Southiment nke report ratito cia Weru rekwa rietwa ni Mutungi Kare.
Sibitari ya Chogoria itina ndamu ya kwiganana ni kumania na mugomo wa mandagitari uria utumite sibitari cia muingi cia bingwa bamwe na uguna marabotire kwirutira kurigita arwaru 23 maria marakinyirwo sibitari ni inu kumania na mutino wa Baseken Silva uria urekarikire nithi ntuku ya igoro mariuga sibitari ino niongerete arwaru muno kuma mugomo wa mandagitari ukwambiriria Martin Mugambi enacio
kumania na mutino wa muthenya wegoro mwenda moni wa ndagacha ya nithi cibitari ya Chogoria nierairĩrwe antu 23 kumania na mutino yo kuringana na cibitari antu bamwe bao bara batiritirwe na kuona mirigito na nkinya kwinuka mama maombikanite amwe na gutwika kuri na thina ya ndamu nthiguruni bobo kumania na mugomo wa mandagitari urothiete na mbere nthiguruni ya Kenya.
As we all know, yesterday we had an accident that happened at the Nithi area. As PCA Chogoria Hospital, we were able to receive 23 patients to our facility, 6 of them who were critical. Within an hour of arrival, we were able to attend to the 23 patients and we discharged those who are stable to go home. So this is also a reflection of the ongoing doctor strike. As a result, we received majority of the patients who are involved.
Kuringana na ndagitari munene cibitari ni ya Chogoria twe Michael Kioko ariuga thina ino ya ndamu yumanitie na mugomo wa ndagitari aramwajie agikona ndamu atari na mpwenu abatomanire Nairobi kenda kuona ndamu nontu gutire na ndamu Embu.
Then the other thing is what we've seen is we've been having a small challenge regarding blood transfusion services. At the moment, our regional center for blood where we get our blood for transfusion is Embu. But unfortunately, due to the ongoing healthcare workers strike, we have to send our samples all the way to Nairobi. We have blood for emergency cases, but for routine care we are struggling because patients have to wait a little bit longer to get transfusion. If somebody is deemed to be stable, we have to wait a little bit longer.
Ariuga aje baraba kuja kiri sibitari ni ya Chogoria kagita kaiba inge nkuruki kumania na mugomo yo akirombaga kiama kia mandagitari nthiguruni na thirikari kugwatanira kenda gucoka wirani na kuthiria mutindikano wa jiorori macibitari.
We've seen a surge in patients who are visiting our facility for services which we've been offering. So currently, we've seen the number of patients has gone up, and we thank God that we are still able to operate. The government and the doctors' union representatives to resolve this issue amicably, such that all healthcare workers are back to work, such that we continue serving our patients.
Bari aragia kagita kiumia gigucokia nkatho gia cibitari no kumania na cibitari no gucinda irita muthemba wa level 5 nthiguruni ya Kenya.
Cibitari yetu ethagwa A category 5. Riu ke cibitari cionde cia Kenya ni tumbite gucinda award ya level 5 hospitals ele twitaga tertiary na twina gikeno muno.
amwe na gucinda cibitari no ibataranĩtie makinya na mĩthiĩre kathũmba aĩra bakũthũkia kenda gũtigĩra ba kuongera na nkinya kũthongamia motungata cibitari-inĩ ĩno.
Bado nĩtũjoketie jukumu ya kuhakikisha nĩtũkomba kunenkanĩra services jigie urigiti wa cancer. Like currently nĩtũgũ set up a cancer center ĩrĩa ĩkaomba gu provide chemotherapy. One of the treatment modalities cia cancer ni chemotherapy.
Digital, you can also look at our radiology department. We have digital radiology x-rays. We've got the ability to do CT, MRI. All those things are digitally processed.
Kĩripotera Weru TV kuma gĩcigo mbunge kĩa Mara, mbĩtagwa Martin Mogambi.
MCA wa Thona Jim Muchui na wa Kithimwenda Ethiri ni maugite mwanka riu anturi moshanite milioni 2 atonte ithandatu cia gutethereria micii ya mathandatu maria materere uturo wa ndini ya Somalia ni nyuma ya mbithukiro ya Al-Shabaab. Bamwe na ugu ni matariritie uguya bwa akari kumane na gavana Kawira kubangania mucemanio ruyu na baria mathiko makaruthirwa. Ni makuromba ni marombete mbia kwigagwa mwanya cio bwandi Tamudara akithina athwana makiuga wandi ino ni gukandana na mauntu mamengi mena urito hiribo mbithukiro cia maitha. Muthiru Muriuki atariri
Thonyona arua MC wa Kithimwenda Ethiri na Jim Athwana ibatiri mena family ya biashara batandatu barabara ire nthuru ya Somali nikena bomba kumanenkera mbeca cia gutetheria kujungirio ndobao ni matongire mwanya babaitete mbeca mungano ya milioni 2,600
CS methika lentore tabanga kya thogoro na raira aturetera support ya president bareti ya president ya mutuma na milioni 2 na kinyamo shima mutunga no na raira na support ya Gachagua ya 500,000 na kinya seneta Kathuri Murungi na atutumire 100,000 na barabange atongore na iba supported hapa na pale mitandaone to ile mitandao ya family kirete to kona atongore bange kinya ba meru iba supported isipokuwa gavana no enkagatira ata respond so far
igoro itrombere kwithira tukiawa 2.6 million kire mantu kira pira turarinio na kire family obora family ki family chi thatatu bakomba kona beje cio ngirimana yana ya 32 tubana kira bonde o family ngirimana yana ya 32 ire kaomba gwita chitetheria mantu ya ikukwambiria ruyo
na mheshimiwa Greito na mheshimiwa Ntuchio tutikolo no bachogire nkatho no ntuni bamo bara batusukumira na inya nigenda muri oyo mba ukinya kuko etu no ntundaga isi etu che kulusi life kura Somalia ito ajiti na damire umbige ukinya Kenya nigenda tona na betu na nigenda tona tha muri oyo kiumbika
alana lipa tatu baba kwa bakeno kwa ruju bandi ya Athwana inda mna bubu akaliba kuma Athwana mbona ne korea kunganirwa kwao ni mushamna jwanga mana jaju ekiruju o ara kwena mathiko
na ginyonete twete tukuthikana beturu mbua bito responde to ikwantore to na okwe o ngabana na mwire kweka muchamanio we okwe kilomita yele atokuthika antobau mbua kethane atatwathikwa kana atakwenda mbua utethio boyete ni kweka muchamanio ariko angaketha kete kuthangala mathiko mbua gatukuromba ginya ketha thirikari omba komba tutama bieyete abio beba turierie nonto bamba kwetha baina mpango enge kuya kuthangala mathiko onto bateke baikaraga batiko na kuthikwa ende ninte na bobu inga kora thirikari tutethie mamo arierwa abwethe muchamani uyu akethe yoete na amani na atwe ketha kweba ethe kuthangala mathiko barie tuthike antu beto boya tutikwenda utethio bwawe
ilela mukuru orairwe ginya wa wetu antomutia kuma kandebe Athwana wondi ata ukume ginya njarekie aorie ginya family wetirwe kana ngambe cietu ciana betu inacho cietire ngambe mananana cia Meru Kawira ata ingilia ginya kanini ka ginya tumuikua ke aria ka ginya oria ne atia katwa muthurire atwika bato ko tuthia keresa ka ola twika bato ndira tukurira noreo akwithira we awiritwa kibwithagia michemania kia yo tuikwena yoro na naikwa katwitite kumamia miriana betu ikawiro muthemba uriku
itwa mwerete na amenyendera cera akilire akethira umitharia amenye rwe rukaimba ringi na akenda okilla na rira rwe rwaimba ukeaguta tawa mbio so andarasa na ro mitire untu no mithariria itarira wikumba okilla rurura mumiro wothe ona ndarasene ukeyo mitharia menye itaringire akinya wende gutale andarasenera na rira kawiri tukona gwa tukinyithite mwanka thai no mbite kutharia ndarasera akilire rwe kuimba
gavana naeroe namenyere antu baba baratongoroetie na nareke kubuithia chiatho nyabingi tukuko na elekeleti kubuithia chiatho nara batu tuna wathiriwa kana nara batu tuna mantora kubuithia mbari kumaru uyu na uke
Nkuluki MCNG Muchoi na mwendethire bagwa wandi ya Thwana akithi na muthara ibwiri gutegerwa rithore mwanya no china mathina nkabo
so batu wondi chietu ira tuwakilishite especially wondi ya Thwana na wondi ya Kithi na wondi ya muthara wondi cha affected muno ni disaster nyingi itwethire tukithira twina thina muno ya mantu ya wambe ng'ombe antu kurawa twethire twina issues chenju kwiga bamia miunda yantu antu betu no ntweria etu ni area dry kana ndi iri nyingi ni area chandwanda icho antu baingi muno beta kurita ngwe na ara northeastern na bamba kila Somali so icho chithara cha affect muno ni issues cha insecurity batwe ito affect mantu ginya ng'ombe kuringirwa miundene na ndrotire ora nthe kwethira kwina mpara na mbiwo chetu chithara affected na koi tukenda muno kwa area pia kuromba thirikari wombike kwethira pia tukawa affirmative action kiri wondi no ndo bate concentrate nyamichi wamba wichurira into bio antu batombanya kuria na amani so igwethe tukuna challenges nyingi muno na igwethe ki wondi mo chimba tete gwethe ke benefit na marginalization fund na equalization fund na any form ya affirmative action kena antu bento bomba
ne umbe ku consider kana ikwethe kwena ndo ala cho consider antu bara by lower part kinyetha to Meru county bando ne umana Isiolo county tore bando ne umana Mandera tore ne umana Wajia tore side cha iti na Meru county na Rwanda ro so antu beto ibailwe kinya weta kura irwa nara umenya antu babira bacho anobya kurea nontu baba ingi weta Rwanda rura na uno Eastern Mandera Wajia oreto ithe antu bakithi baurino antu ba Thwana baurino antu ba muthara rutoro iti baurino so thirikari ni aili antu beto na iti na Rwanda ro kenda at least antu beto omba igo a part of the government nontu techirengi bainio bakarirwa intobyo ngambe bakarwa bongo beta biachara ene miunde yetu ya hukumo inchou na antu beto bakara mzuri
nsara mainge ikethro potena network potekinyairo ni information in a timely manner na ikethro ire gwati kire family area itiginaza kwa inkoria thirikari especially ambassadors no ntubara bakwe wa jukumu yeu beta na are ome ibagerie bakethro bena proper database kumenya antubara be ome no la batetheka kirima antu mwana rira zombo karikira kire family hizi otherwise tukuga ibwega no ntinyabo thirikari gutonyera na kona no by support ikenda family hizi sira chumbite gutigwa nendo bao ora bakomba kona side of it
Muthuri Murioki Weru TV
hatuonekanyaga kunogoka banini riu
Mabate, we mama mabate, mabate. Ukipata baridi, nunua mabate. Mama mabate. Ukitaka usingizi, nunua mabate. Mabate raino, ni raino, ni raino. Mama mabate raino, ni raino, ni raino mama.
Ukitaka kununua mabati, chukua Rhino mabati kutoka Rhino Mabati Factory. Wanakupa exact measurement ndio usave pesa. Ama namuna gani? Awe
mabati ya sasa ni ya Rhino. Mabati ya sasa ni ya Rhino. Chukua mabati mama ya Rhino.
mabati ya kudumu ni ya Rhino pekee.
twete kwereka ni muntu akangweta gonto ke director
ana bakureka mutu jitija kavagara
ndabwirire ata manzo ja kuruga nkimete kavagara botumere maromba botumere magic within 10 minutes ndienda nkima kavagara
na bwe mecheta na botenda ka
kugwirwa ri ni kiribare bejiraha premium kavagara tigenia na bagwirirwe kavagara usiseme unga sema raha.
Kamero aja kwe ya kamero tigani ndi ng'ombe ateje ndi nyondo nuja tukangire mwere utebwa ndi mando mabija ateje ria na ndi kama Johnny Johnny antedia John, yes kebabi. Imbio kwa ng'ombe cha kunundu tu tendera bwana.
Kuterera kwa ng'ombe chako?
Jo.
Wachumbia farmers daily.
Jo.
Chumbeje? Ni utetheria ng'ombe wanja weka mapema.
Jo.
Nedia linge.
Ng'ombe kwani atukangi nyonto. Urito kama umegwata nyonto. Ya kugera maguru bwana. Sirimbio.
Sirimemwe. Imbakuta kama ja farmers milking surf. Makutajaja.
Jo.
Yakaligeria watu kwa nyonto.
Jo.
Mastitis. Nankwere amulo kabuganga iyo ne kwera. Kuote kaigwa.
Into bibio ndo kugera inanga bita munente deke.
Die ndukene chonde kento biandevia. Tauniyeje.
Ndukene chonde.
Nande interview ande bakugunande thieku bire ndukene chonde cha Agrovet irire akwe nagwe. Tulingire thimo kurukira namba 0724 000 879 kana 0768 409 625.
This April, your kids deserve to enjoy non-stop laughter and entertainment for the holidays. The Salulu is to recharge your subscription and get upgraded to the next high bouquet on Star Times to enjoy a never-ending lineup of fun shows on our fantastic kids channel.
I'll take it from here. Sam, shoot the ball.
Join Teeny and Tiny as they teach wonderful lessons on Baby TV. Make new friends with the Roblox Rumble Gang. Join Inspector Gadget as he solves puzzles on Cartoon Channel. Save the world with Ben 10 on Boing TV or learn the wonders of science on the Da Vinci Channel. Recharge on your current bouquet and get upgraded to the next high bouquet for 1 month. Download Star Times on app for unlimited entertainment. Anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Yetu sako irina nkuma enjaga kiri aritani aritingo gibonzo bathirikari na kinya kambuni turi na MOU nabo egutigira bakugarura uturo bwaku gukurukira super mapato loan kuma enjaga ni ati utetwa garanta utetwa shares na no uri ruru na miaka 8 na interest ya 1% reducing balance kuona utungata bwa super mapato loan kana bunge turiongera branch yetu irere akwe nagwe kana waranire na tugukurukira namba yetu edimu 0711103800 kana info@yetusako.co.ke kana www.yetusako.co.ke. Yetu Sako, your success, our pride.
Shosh pale, hatukudhani utashtuka hivyo. Tuliza roho na Joymax Mwivoko.
Wow. Nikiona Joymax Mwivoko, ninatulia katuri, inashinda akisiagi.
Na bei shosh. Bei ya shosh. Bei ya shosh.
Joymax Mwivoko kutoka Joy Millers Limited. Unga uliokamilika, bei inayokujali. Furaha ya nyumbani, wema uliokamilika. Joymax Mwivoko. Tufurahie pamoja.
Horingi nkugwate ugeni tukithina mbere mubunge wa Antwaka kaunti ya Meru Elizabeth Karambu na riongirite muci wa mututigi Daniel Sniper baria beti muntumbuka wa Sniper kanya ka wira ubishini ya wenteresha maili 3 kaide mia ariugano madite na mbere kromera na ukubiki otogia Sniper kiuga siezwa ukaria wandani Professor Kindiki na nekiria nite wira ne wa onto kwithirwa okirumirwa na maria monde makugwetithaniwa na kuragwa kwa nchamba ino matithirwa makeba musumano wa watho Marion Karugi atwire nkuruki.
Imwe kwa imwe ni bakinyite kinyi nterese kabuito kwa bamututigi Bernard Sniper. Tebange ni mubunge wa Ikuru wa kaunti ya Meru Elizabeth Karambu Kailemia na ubisi yawe. Awati wen ni MC wa wondieje egembe isti Titus Murethi Muteria kuliungira familia Sniper.
Sniper wetu walipotea tarehe 2 akapatikana tarehe 10 akiwa ametupwa huko maji Mutonga.
Mama Safi na ibetu kiriro kia njaye ya Sniper na ya mutongeria airitaniria kwa mwekuru wa Sniper irini ngwe obisi na yawe ya mairi 3 nikenda ateithia kurera family yawe.
Ruare ambirwe no monka nkinya muciyo ntundira na wendo bo bwingi muno kwija kuona mamio ndani mamio Sniper no ntunde muciari mbijururu kwa mwana okuweta inya tutiga bwagare mwana areta mbere muciari ende atuge no tuigwa karekire atucokeria mwathani nkatho no tutuga tumucokeria nkatho kagita konde onge ndakara nthi ndathuganiria mwana okwa Irene ndachuria niate akarakari no tuinkuona imwari umunini muno na twana tunini na nya ubu kuona au tweja ubu teteramira gutekyo gikuma kwa these days na ndaigwa keba sana na ndemwe koro na ndemo ciari ndego no monka ndikinyithia ya uruari nkumurete tu twinto tokai bena mami twakuruga in the meantime bagitukira ndirona kyo kya muhimu kubuithia ntubura buka sustainable bura watuma ndake gwitwa ngabana ya Sniper ureka athoma na karika gagwita Chantal bukona ikari kanini na kena a long way to go kwa we don't decide ora ukari neja rute ngwe obise kwao mairi 3 kenda ona mapato inya to imucokagia inya cukuru kenda inyate aitethia na inyatethia aciari bake babe na muci
kankenda kura Mama Safi ni boya iskole tise mutongeria na muciari ya uma ono tombagwa no mama uma orokaretie Meru na betu bonto no tukuma kuntu kumero kontinene sana lakini kuona ene initiative ya kuyakuna kaibo bruna kuthimo kona ibo program yo very tight
ni thithere kiao ria mukirini family je na kuona ni okenero ntobo
pura mami oko iboya koya no ntobo rikana actually appreciate nyama ntenya kithiyari yo kira kana kwina mtu ya honi eko my whole gratitude may God bless you abundantly ontinyo tuikana nyan okuiba that pain actually iyo ntobo bomo mno at my head with a widow
inkuba nkoro kwa ya nedi sana ni utethi bura mama county atutethia nabuo bwa kwa Irene ngwe
on behalf of family yetu tutethuka ntwana no nduiture turari na murio yora tuinyite na tutira iciura murio uyu yumba kutuinyuka lakini muraiko tumwa ande mute muraika nontu monte ya remete anto baingi nya banene lakini Mama Safi otutethia na au atutethia atethia family yonde nontu murio uyu urari kwi batwe lakini ndai ututhukira ana baraba Sniper bagathoma boya na inya family weka aria boya
bakiariria kioto ke Sniper MC Murethi na Mama Safi bariwa waziri wa ukaria Kithure Kindiki na bekirite wira ne botira mututigi Sniper akona kioto
bara confirm that Sniper atathikwa na Sniper yetu mugirite katumugirite tugenda kwa no show off inkwete mheshimiwa Kailemia batongereti na mbunge rere yuru na senate ndebe report ogulukira mheshimiwa Kailemia na mheshimiwa Kadhuri kwena statement yetetwe emenya ina mantu Sniper yakinyete so far kuma ofisi na CS Kindiki
kwau ndamwe Sniper etiomba kuro wo theri na itwa promisewe ECS no ntu twetete omona to muria ne atamantu jandire na tutethikano ntu kwemba kwithira kwena evidence fulani kwendeka kio turugire namba yari yange ou na inkuona bami bamenyarainirite najo nuntu bwainye mwathani wou justice ya sniper must be served.
Woi, 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 ilikuwa kilio kaunti Meru.
Nikiripotera Weru TV kuuma Kabuitwe Gembe Central, Bitawa Marion Karugi wa Kenywa.
Kamiti ya bunge ya kithomo kuma kiri mbunge inene ni kinyetenteresha chuka nikienda kuthuja utumiri wa mbeca kiri University ya Ntere inune kumania na budget ya mwaka wa 2023 kuthi mwaka wa 2024. Kamiti ino ni shokete kinyamiru kuthuja university na moronto uyu kona kethirwa mbeca cia thirikari na igutumirwa wega. Samuel Gaishima atumenyithie.
Wakiibwa miako ithanthatu ya ngoroba ya University ya Chuka ibukinyite bantu akurugama na ugu inyuma ya thirikari nene kurega kurekeria mbia cha wakibobo kureo kire university nu. Ugu ikuringana na kamiti ya kithomo ya bunge ya Kinthiguru itongeretwe imukaririgite Julius Kibiwot kagita kandiunga ya gondeni ya university no ya kwibonera uthina mbere bwa miako ino.
Found out that this is one of the very few universities that has no pending bills, especially in statutory deductions. They are paying their KRA and all those on time. However, we realize that many of their projects are now almost at the stalled level because of the government failure to remit money to complete the science park, the administration block, and even the food science, and even the male hostel.
Baina mirandi ya tandatu irete uyurite. Nere kiuyura university igethori mo ya ira top world class university nonto ibaitaniti kinyana mibango ira tuita ya mbeta kana bottom up economic transformation model na agenda ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
Kuringana na Kibiwot, ripoti iraba ithiranitie imunthi bakaminenkanira ndeni ya bunge kenda iraithirua na thirikari nene yegwa mataro buraba batiri kurutha mantu ma miako ino.
Nikenda tumba kuberekeria urabombote the university nikenda yomba kuthiria programs ira cianjiritwe ni university na ina kiroto kinene kia kuona Kenya na ritoba kuthomera na community yonde ni utethuka.
It needs very little money to bring them to usable level. Noting one, a very good project that is the Science Park, which is of its kind. It is actually a project that is going to promote the better program, that is the bottom-up economic transformation, where innovators will actually come and develop their innovations here and be able to commercialize them. People of Mount Kenya East and even the central region will be able to come here and make sure that their projects are brought to commercialization level.
Kamiti ino nkurukine raithiritie mubango wa imbia wa thirikari wa Ureiba Bichi, thirikari igitethanagiria na aritwa kuringana na ubatu bwa muritwa uraba kuga bakaendekithia ugaruku bukai kenda guchuagirithia nkuruki.
The university vice chancellor and the management noted that it is a very good model, but there are issues that he just brought it very clear. That one, parents and students need to be notified early of their various categorization before they report. And the admission letter to the student need to be given early so that the parent could be able to know his part before the student reports to school.
Kenda tuthiria thine aritwa bakietwa na ba report babati kwetha bakimenya nimbi muntu akarita nimbi muntu ai nikenda kutithwa kwenda confusion bakira baite university bakawa mbecha baiguo na muciari ati kumenya kiwango giri kwa karita kana mwane thakimenya nimbi abati kurita.
We want to be put to accountability. To us that was a very good visit. We have demonstrated to them that we are taking charge and we have courage. We have stabilized the university and the university is stable. And once they support us on these projects, the university is moving to another good level. So I say, Chairman, Thank you to your committee. And thank you to the President for also supporting Chuka University.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma gichigo bunge ya Chuka Egamba Ng'ombe mbitagwe Samuel Gaishima.
Mbarodhi wa Kenya ndeni ya Netherlands halima muchekina ugite akabangania ndiunga kirithirikari ya nthi enu kuriunga Kenya nikiri migunda ya mira nikena meonera mira ati kimira gikithuku nkuru kina ugite gashukuma kuona ati mira ekwambiriria kubirwa nthi ya Netherlands kairi.
Karibu mheshimiwa.
Now, my good question to the nominee is this. Now, you come from Mira growing a county. What are you going to do to make sure that Mira is going to be around again, to be exported to the Netherlands, for it really affected the lives of farmers in Meru region, and littering per se can be managed if a proper approach is applied to the market area. That's
first and foremost, Chairman and members, the best thing for us is to add value to the crop. Secondly, is to ensure standards and quality. Because if the reason it was banned was because of littering and other nuisances, it is important that we have standards and quality, and also we need capacity building for our people. Our people need to be trained, to be given skills, even from, I think the Dutch people might have visited Meru to see when the Mira is being harvested. At times, when you see, you might not like, but I think that is where we'll talk of capacity building. We give our people skills, and also we ensure that we do policy advocacy to make sure that we have the right policy in place.
You know the situation in our country. Coming also from Meru, you know the challenges that the dairy sector faces. We have issues of high costs of feeds. We have issues of technology challenges. The country that you're going to is very successful in this area.
The best thing is to ensure that members of parliament visit so that they can be able to make laws that enable the government to support the farmers. Definitely, Imwe Memusi, I've been close to people, so I understand the interest of the people and what needs to be done. So Mwesh, I want to assure you, once I get there, that will be one of my first pet subjects. I'll go and address it, I'll visit the farms, and I'll make sure that whatever can be done to our farmers will be done.
Newagano ntu wako na kanya kurumira Nteto cietu ciingira njira inkinyaniro ni cia kinya Thaa 3:30 mbitagwa Christine Wanjeru na mwananiria wetu wa mathithio muthenya wa umuthi ni Maureen Kirimi.